Did you know that New Zealand is like a treasure chest of fascinating facts? Let's dive into this incredible country, where nature, culture, and history intertwine beautifully. First off, let's talk about wildlife. New Zealand is home to some of the most unique species you'll ever encounter. Take the kiwi bird, for instance. This flightless wonder is not just a quirky animal, it's a national symbol. Imagine a place where there are no native land mammals, except for bats. That's right. This isolation has allowed for an extraordinary evolution of distinct flora and fauna. It's like nature's own little experiment, and the results are simply breathtaking. Now, if you're planning a trip, you'll want to know that New Zealand is made up of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island. Together, they create a stunning landscape that feels like it's been pulled straight from a fantasy novel. And speaking of fantasy, did you know that New Zealand was the filming location for The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit? The breathtaking scenery turned this country into the magical realm of Middle-earth. Picture rolling hills, majestic mountains, and lush forests. It's no wonder fans flock here to experience the landscapes that brought J.R.R. Tolkien's world to life. But let's not forget the rich culture that thrives here. The Maori people, the indigenous Polynesian inhabitants of New Zealand, have a vibrant culture that is integral to the nation's identity. Their language and traditions are woven into the fabric of everyday life, and many place names reflect this beautiful heritage. One of the most iconic aspects of Maori culture is the haka, a traditional war dance that the All Blacks, New Zealand's national rugby team, perform before each match. It's powerful, it's moving, and it's a true representation of the spirit of New Zealand. You can feel the energy radiating from the field, and it's something that unites the nation. Now, if you're an early riser, you might want to set your alarm for New Zealand. Due to its location in the southern hemisphere, it's one of the first places in the world to see the sunrise each day. Imagine starting your day with the sun peeking over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. It's a sight that can take your breath away. And here's another fun fact. New Zealand has no native snakes. That's right, you can hike, explore, and enjoy the great outdoors without worrying about slithering creatures lurking about. The country has stringent biosecurity laws to keep it that way, ensuring that its unique ecosystem remains intact. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, New Zealand is also known for its exceptional wine production, particularly Sauvignon Blanc. The Marlborough region is a wine lover's paradise, boasting some of the world's best wines. Picture yourself sipping a glass of crisp white wine while gazing at the stunning vineyards. Now that's a slice of heaven. Lastly, let's talk about the geothermal wonders of the North Island. Places like Rotorua are famous for their hot springs, geysers, and bubbling mud pools. It's like stepping into another world, where the earth literally comes alive. The geothermal activity here is not just a natural phenomenon. It's a unique experience that draws visitors from all over the globe. So whether you're drawn in by the stunning landscapes, the rich culture, or the unique wildlife, New Zealand is a place that promises adventure and wonder at every turn. It's a land where every sunrise feels like a new beginning, and every moment is an opportunity to explore the extraordinary. So, what are you waiting for? New Zealand is calling.